Okay, so here I've already input two videos, the original and also the one with text. Click on the video with the text and make it as overlay like this, and on the overlay click on the video. Here I'm going to go, okay, click on the video. Now go to mask and choose the horizontal, rotate it to 90 degrees like this, and drag the masking to where the object is like this. So what you need to do now is add keyframe in here and play and pause the video and move the masking. Okay, move the masking accordingly, following the movement of the person. Just do this until all the text, all the word is revealed. Okay, I've already done adding keyframes like this, as you guys can see here on the overlay. And here is the walking text reveal effect. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.